So let's talk about POPCAT. POPCAT is sitting at 15 cents. And I've covered this coin previously as well, which means that this is not my first time, but I will just give you a little bit brief story of it. What is this project about? As the name suggests, it is a meme coin. This was launched as a meme around a trend, and then it went very, very viral. And if I show you the overall life of it, of course, in the previous 1 year, it has only gone to hell. It has crashed more than 90%. But if we talk about its success, at least in the beginning, it did create a massive rally. It really went up. So this coin has pumped all the way up towards the area of almost $2. And of course, now it is sitting at 15 cents. So you're talking about a Burj Khalifa pattern. Let me show it to you on a live chart. That way you can see it more clearly. So this is not uncommon. It is very common with meme coins. They always create Burj Khalifa patterns, and that is exactly what this coin has done. It created a Burj Khalifa pattern and some more. It went way below that. So it created a lake under the Burj Khalifa. Anyway, now the question is that where do we go from there? As you can see, it went up to $2. $2 was the peak, then it went to hell, the lowest that we have seen with this, apart from 10th of October crash. The other one was 11 cents. And right now it is sitting at 15. So it's pretty close to its bottom area, which is a good news. Good news in a sense that if we look at this coin in short term, it is actually creating a falling channel structure. And this falling channel is really helpful. So this structure is on a daily, which means that this is a very reliable structure as well. Of course, there is this anomaly, but that is 10th of October, so we'll ignore that part. As you can see, this is going down inside this channel. 70% of the time this channel breaks up, which means it shoots up. 30% of the times it shoots down, which means it invalidates what this channel is supposed to do, and it actually goes in the opposite direction. So the bookish language teaches us that if you're seeing a falling channel, it is a bullish structure, which means that there are 70% chances of this thing going up and pumping. Only 30% is the bad luck, because we are not gods. It can go and crash. So we always play the higher probability because we are in a market of probabilities. So we use the statistical data and we rely on the higher end instead of the lower end. I mean, if someone tells you that eat this medicine, it will fix you 70% chances, or eat that medicine, it has a 30% chances of fixing you, which one will you eat if you're dying, right? So that's only logical to pick the higher end. And at the same time, when we talk about it, at 14 cents, it has a support area. So not only the channel, we have a support area at 14 cents is 13.8, let's call it 14 cents. As long as this coin continues to hold on to the 14 cents area, I expect it to pump, and the pump is really aggressive. As you can see, we're talking about going towards 26 cents, 26.5. That is going to be the first target with this coin, and to be very frank with you, if it is going to go towards 26.5, I will pretty much expect it to go towards 30 cents as well. So we're talking about 100% move, a 2x on this coin, and I don't think that is a bad deal at all. And that's pretty much it with POPCAT. There's nothing else to add. It's a meme coin. It is what it is. It totally runs on the to the moon scream of the community. Once the community comes together, starts pushing it up, it starts going up. There is nothing fundamental about project like this. It is always a gamble. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.